Silver plunges on Friday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The silver market gapped lower to kick off the trading session on Friday, only to turn around and fill that gap and then drop again. With that being the case, market participants continue to see a lot of noisy behavior, and the possibility of a double top is a very real thing here. It's worth noting that the volume had dropped quite drastically on the way back up, and that was something I was warning about. Now, this suddenly looks very precarious if we continue to the downside, and I would say if we break down below $50, that's not a good look. Silver is a very dangerous market to trade most of the time anyway, and quite frankly, the demand for silver is not the same situation as we have in gold, so silver falling doesn't really surprise me. What's been somewhat surprising is all of a sudden there was a huge demand for it. That being said, there are questions about whether or not EV or green technology will push up demand. It doesn't really seem to matter, though. Silver has been imbalanced for a long time. There has always been a shortage, and silver would trade at like $15 an ounce. So I don't know that anything has truly fundamentally changed. This has been a pretty violent short squeeze to the upside. But the question now is, will $50 hold? If it doesn't, that's not a good look. That's not a good look at all. That doesn't mean that we plunge straight down, but a double top at $54 is pretty ominous. We'll have to wait and see. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.